Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I want to go ahead and share with you guys a PR package that I received from Maniology. Thank you so much for sending us this PR. I am super excited to see what's in here. I haven't opened it yet because I was waiting to come on here to share this with you guys. So one thing that I love about this company is their honesty, the way they reached out to me, and they were like, just do your thing basically, which I have to respect that 100%. So yeah, let's go ahead and review this, and then we'll talk a little bit more about what the company offers and what do they have. You guys can go ahead and check them out if you want to. As always, I'll leave information in the description box down below. And then there's also a code for you guys so that you guys can save some coins, because hey, we all want to save some money, right? So we'll go ahead and open up the package and see what we got. So for the first item, I see a nail brush. It looks like a angled brush, and it is the number 105, and it says angle precision brush. All right, so for our second item, I see we have a, let me see, what's this? Oh, okay, this is a nice cool tool that they have. This is kind of like a pen. It has like that pen effect where you just go ahead and push on the pineapple, which is so cute, and then it'll open up here on the bottom, so you can just put like a cotton or something like that, and then you can just go ahead and clean the nail and stuff. So I think this is super cool, especially if you don't like to mess up your nails after doing your own manicure, or you just want to go ahead and be much more like precise and clean. This is super cool, which I like. So super excited for that. All right, so this is our third item. And let me go ahead and open it. I'm not sure what this is. Okay, so this is, I'm guessing it's a base. Yes, it is a sticky coat base. So look how cute. They sent me this sticker. It says, "Feed your soul with your passion." I love that. That is really cute. So one of these stamp plates that I went ahead and chose is this one right here, because French is really in right now, and especially like with nail art and all of that. I think this was pretty cool to have, just to try it out and see what can we get with this, because not all of us have the precision of actually going ahead and like piping those lines out, if you know what I mean. So yeah, this is pretty cool. There's so many ways I've seen that they've used this, so I'm gonna go ahead and do a couple different designs, so I hope you guys enjoy that. Also, this is the palette M052. If you guys are interested, just in case, I'll just leave the information down below anyways. So yeah, that's that. All right, so this is the second plate, and this one I chose because of these patterns right here. I feel like these are like that type of design that I struggle with the most. I absolutely love it, but this would be super nice if I had to do some type of design of this. Matter of fact, I do remember once I had a client that asked me for like her wedding. She wanted some patterns like this, and honestly, it was not coming out as much as I tried. So this would be super cool for those moments where you just need to pipe out a design, have your client come in and out, but deliver what they actually want. This is pretty cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this out with you guys and see how does this look. So I'm super excited to try this one. They also have butterflies, leaves, and all of those cute patterns that I love. So yeah, we'll go ahead and check that out. Also, we have here a nail stamping starter kit, which is super cool. If you guys just want to go ahead and try this out, they have starter kits, which is super cool. That way you guys don't have to go and just buy all this stuff without knowing if you're actually gonna like it, which is pretty cool. They give you that choice or that option. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up really quick so you guys can see what comes in here. So if you guys really know me, you know that I love coffee. This is really one of those stamping plates that I would love to have at my table. That's why I went with this one. Nail art is trending so much right now, guys, that honestly, I am not the best at it. I've been off for a while, so I don't know how well am I gonna be able to adapt to, these nail art tutorials and all this stuff. Like I need to get back on and start practicing. So I think this was super cool to go ahead and try. And I can't wait. Like I really can't wait to try this. So I'm gonna put this aside and show you guys I don't want to rant too much about everything. I just want to go ahead into like actually showing you guys. But yeah, just so you guys can see, this is the scraper. I'm pretty sure, I don't know much about stamping. I do know from what I've seen and stuff like that. So if I don't say the terms right, just know that, you know, I'm just starting with this. This is the stamper, which I love how the packaging has like, you know, their name on it and stuff, which is pretty cool. And this is a really nice, super clear, as you guys can see, stamper, which I love. And then you guys can see right through it as well, which is cool. So if you guys just wanted to go ahead and measure that design, you'll go ahead straight on and stamp that design, which is amazing because, you know, I've tried these little stamping things and I don't have the best ones, so maybe this one would help me get it right. Also, this kit comes with 2 polishes, and I'm pretty sure this is like the top and a brown color, obviously because I went with the coffee kit. I'm just gonna pull this out and make sure there's nothing underneath just in case, but there you go. This is super, super cute. All right, so if you guys wanted to try out their starter kits, this is what you guys would be expecting. So you just have what you need to start. So let's go ahead and see what else came in here. All right, so these I actually picked out as well, obviously because if you guys don't know, not all polishes are for stamping. So they have their specific polish for the stamping, for like stamping and stuff like that. I mean, not that other polishes won't work with it, but if it is for stamping, you guys can go ahead and give that a try. But if you guys don't have any, you can go ahead and check out the variety that they have on their site. They do have a ton of polishes I seen on there, so I'm super excited to try these out. I'm gonna go ahead and open this so you guys can see. All right, so this is super cute. Look how these come in here. All right, let's just take them out because I'm already excited. Okay, I'm just gonna, okay, cool. Look how cool is that. Super, super nice and well packaged. I gotta give it to you guys. Wow. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and pull this out carefully. All right, so these are the colors that I chose. I chose these colors because, again, I love coffee, guys. So I'm also one of those that love the nude tones. You guys know that fall is right around the corner and I love fall. So these are the tones that I wanted to go with, especially to try out like the French and the coffee stamping plate. So these are a set of 6. These are the tones that come in there. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do a quick nail art. So let's just jump right into that. All right, guys, so one of the first things you want to do is go ahead and take off that blue, what is it, like protective layer that they put on these stamping kits. I know that sometimes we get so excited that we don't notice these things, but this actually has like this really nice protective layer on it. You want to go ahead and pull that right off and just toss that out. There you go. And they all have them, as you guys can see. So make sure you don't forget to do that before trying out your new stamping palettes. So I'm going to be using the coffee stamping plate. So let's see what we get out of these. I'm just going to go ahead and with a generous amount, I'm going to rock that into that cuticle area there and just pull down. And then I'm just going to go down the side. And look how cool is that. Now notice that this dries super fast, so you want to work fast and try not to layer as much as this polish because a little bit goes a long way. All right, so this dries really, really fast, as you guys can see, and it does stay a little sticky, which is good so that you guys can go ahead and stick your nail design on there. So like, I think that's going to help with it. I'm going to go ahead and with a generous amount, just because I know for a fact that I want to fill in the grooves. So this time I'm just gonna try to do it once. So I'm gonna go in at like a 45-degree angle, and I'm just gonna swipe that once across. Awesome. So now I'm gonna go ahead and pick up from one side to the other and roll it like that. I think that's good. All right, then I'm just gonna go ahead and clean up here around it. Go ahead and clean up, and then let's take this design, so you guys can see it right there, and I want to go ahead and press this right on. So I'm gonna try to do that so you guys can see it. Ready? Let's go ahead and press. Oh, I think that's good. Look how beautiful. Yes. All right, so look how beautiful that looks, the details on it and everything. You can see it all. I really like this. Super easy. I've tried different stampings before, not a lot of them, honestly. Like, I'm gonna say 2 or 3, and like this one has been the best so far, honestly. And it's not because I'm reviewing it right now with you guys, but it just made it so easy. I don't know, like the formula of the polishes. All right, so this was my first try. I feel like I scraped it too much, so what I did was I removed too much of the product from the actual design. But here I feel like it was just perfect. You can actually see the difference and the details in this one. So I absolutely liked it. I really like how easy this is to clean, especially with the help of the pineapple pen. I'm gonna try a smaller tip. I went in with this color right here, which I think it looks like the tone of the way I love my coffee. So I'm gonna go in with that one. And because I don't have a white color yet in their brand, I'm gonna use a different white to see if I can still go ahead and be able to transfer that. All right, let's see if I can pick this one up. All right, so I did get it there. I wanna clean up around it. I'm just using a little bit of cotton with the alcohol pad. Oh, yeah, I'm just using a little bit of alcohol on my, what's it called? Cotton pad. All right, so this literally took me a few seconds to put on the polish. And then I'm gonna go ahead in with this. All right, I absolutely love that. That's super cute. I still have some polish on here, which is super pigmented. All right, so if you guys have some like gel stamping paint, try that out with their palettes. I think that's super amazing. I am gonna go ahead and cure that for 30 seconds. Look how cute. All right, so that's pretty cool. I absolutely love that design. How cool is this one? Now this one I went and topped off with gel polish, like a top coat. So just let it dry really good and then top it off and you should be good, as you guys can see. So, and it is just as clear and beautiful as their top as well. So there you have these two. All right, my friends, so that is it for this video. In my next video, I'll go ahead and show you guys how to use the one with the Frenchies, because I'm super excited to try this one out. But for now, I'm just gonna stay here and play around a little bit more with this so that I can bring you guys more to the table. I hope you guys enjoyed this as much as I did. Don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe if you have not yet, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.